Do you sometimes get confused when it comes to much and many? Do you know which one to choose, some or any? If yes, this video is for you. Welcome to Ink Vibes. Today's lesson is about much versus many, some versus any. So let's start with much and many. Before we do the quiz, let's understand the difference between them. Much is used with uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns. Many is used with countable plural nouns. Why plural? Because much means a lot, many means a lot. So it's more than one. However, if the noun is countable, we use many. If the noun is not countable, we use much. That's it. Let's try. How? Sugar. Sugar is uncountable noun. So how much sugar do you want in your tea? Number 2. There aren't people. People is the plural of person. So we have a lot of people here. So many. There aren't many people at the party yet. 3. She doesn't have experience. Experience is an uncountable noun. Therefore, the right option is much. She doesn't have much experience with this software. 4. I didn't eat snacks. Snacks is more than one, so we're talking about countable noun. So the right option is many. How? Money. Money is an uncountable noun. So how much money do we need for the trip? 6. There are 2 mistakes. Mistakes is the plural of mistake. 1 mistake, 2, 3, 4 mistakes. So there are too many mistakes in this report. 7. I don't have time. Time is always uncountable. So I don't have much time to finish this project. 8. We saw stars. There's S of the plural. So we have many stars. It's countable noun. We use many. We saw many stars in the sky last night. Number 9. Do you know water? All liquids are uncountable. Okay? Water is one of them. So do you know how much water a person should drink daily? Do you guys know? It's 3 liters, I think. Number 10. They didn't bring bags. Bags is more than one bag. It's countable, so they didn't bring many bags with them. Seriously, how much water do you need every day? Tell me in the comment. That's it. This is the difference between much and many. And now let's jump to some versus any. Before we do the activity, let's understand the difference between some and any. We start with some. Some is not a lot, and it is used with countable plural nouns. This is number 1. Number 2, what we should understand is some can be used with uncountable nouns too. So countable plurals, uncountable just the noun as it is. Number 3, it is used with positive sentences. So the sentence must be positive. It can be used with questions. However, they must be offers or requests. You offer something or you request something. They are not used with negative sentences. Okay? Now, any. Any also used with countable nouns. And the nouns must be plural. Okay? Number 2, they are used with uncountable nouns. So the first 2 points they have in common. They share the same feature. And the plural noun, the countable noun must be plural. Now here come the differences. Any is used with negative sentences. It's not used with positive. And normal questions. Questions that are not offers or requests, just normal, ordinary questions. And the last thing about any is it is never used with positive sentences. Don't think to use any with any positive sentence. Let's try. I don't have milk left in the fridge. I need to buy more. I don't. It's negative and milk is uncountable, so we use any. I don't have any milk. Number 2, can I get help with my homework? Oops, here we are requesting, right? We are asking for help. We are requesting. It's not a normal question, so we use some. Can I get some help? 3, there aren't, negative, cookies in the jar, so I'll buy some later. Cookies is countable and it's in plural. However, the sentence is negative, so we use any. Sentence number 3. Have you got interesting books to read? Have you got interesting books to read? This is question. It's not an offer. It's not a request. It's just a normal question. Therefore, we use, yes, you're right, we use any. Because we're dealing with a normal question. Okay? Next is, I don't think there are chairs in the room for all of us. I don't think there are any. Why? Yes, you're right, because the sentence is negative. We have spare pens in the drawer if you need one. We have, it's positive. Pens are as countable, plural, so we have some. Well done. I haven't seen good movies lately. I have not seen, it's negative, and the right option is any. Next one, she's bringing snacks to the party tomorrow. She's bringing, it's positive, so we use some. She's bringing some snacks to the party tomorrow. Before the last, do you want tea or coffee? Here, this is not a normal question. Here we are offering something. So, do you want some tea or coffee? There isn't fruit in the basket. It's negative. Fruit is uncountable. Just a couple of apples. So, there isn't any fruit in the basket. And that's it. This is the end of today's video. So if you have any questions, kindly leave them in the comment section and we will get back to you as soon as possible. If you like this video, share it with your friends, comment and subscribe if you are new. Till the next time, keep learning, keep vibing with Ing Vibes. Take good care of yourselves. See you the next time. Bye bye.